Hey everyone, welcoming you to my session of today. This is your favorite channel, Aapki Khwahish, and this is your co-educator, Aapki Khwahish, from the Aapki Khwahish channel. So, let's begin. I hope so the voice is clear to you all. I'm not going ahead with the particular video sections of this video. I'm going to make something very important today in this video. That is, I really wanted to tell you all that something is very special going in 4 days. So it's a 4-day videos for everyone. One day I'll make a full video of the whole things, and this will go ahead with it, right? So let's get started with it. So what's today's video is about? I hope that so many of you have guesses right, but if you have guesses wrong, it's all right. I didn't have any problem or issue regarding this, because guessing the wrong answers or the right answers is really not being acceptable for everyone, right? And it's really not mandatory for everyone. Hope so that you are able to hear my English conversations, which I'm going ahead with you in different lectures which I had made. So go ahead, and if you didn't have seen that videos of my English lectures, go ahead in the description box. There is a link beside it. Just click on the link and just go ahead with my all the videos of the English lectures, right? And if you didn't get in a description box, if you didn't get the link, just go ahead in the YouTube and type Aapki Khwahish channel videos of English lectures. You'll go ahead and you'll get all the videos, all right? But I will try to provide you all the link in the description box regarding the videos of my English lectures of all, right? So let's just go ahead with it. So what's today's video is about? Today's video is about a very good thing, that is, I'm going to share my some point of views towards this video, that how to become very much fluent in English, right? So as I had already shared some my point of views regarding fluency in English, but today I'll tell you something very important. I'm going to tell you some 4 tips which you can really go ahead with it, and one extra tips, right? So let's get started with the videos. All right. So here's my video begins. So in this video we are going to go ahead with the 4 tips and one extra tips of how to speak English fluently. Let's keep going. Let's get started. So, the first tip which I'm going to give you is that if you need to speak in English, first you need to go ahead with small letters, small sentences. Writing the sentences, I'm not going ahead with just go ahead and speak the English fluently in someone else. It really doesn't matter if you are also not fluent. That fluency in English is very important. It provides you. First, I'm going to answer that why you need to be fluent in your English. If you're not fluent in your English and you really utters and stammers in someone else, right? You can do that, but it will not be a good impression. It will not give him a good impression of yours, right? It will destroy your impression if you utters 3 or more times that and I. So, if you want to speak English fluently, you need to watch this video, because this video is really very important. So, my first tip regarding this video is that you need to become fluent in English. It's very important. And for that, you need to do one thing. That is, first tip is go and write take a notebook, take a new notebook, right? Having 5, 6, or 8 pages. That's only the requirement. And you need to write each and every words which you didn't have heard in your life, right? Just write them line by line, just write them, and besides them, write their Hindi meanings also. All right, you didn't need to just go ahead with that or learning that whole notebook. It's not important. In one day, just one word you need to write in that notebook. That's it. And you didn't need to remember them also. After doing this 2 or 3 weeks, you will really get an improvement. How? I'm telling you. So I'm going to tell you that how you'll improve. After 2 or 3 weeks, go in front of a person and try to speak with him. Right? If you didn't have anyone, go ahead in front of a mirror and start speaking in English. Start speaking in English. Just 2 or 3 words that you had written. Almost it has been in your mind because you had written the words. Speak those words and try to recognize the Hindi meanings also. After that, you need not to do anything. After 2 or 3 weeks, this needs has to be done. It's important. After that, you need to talk with someone having that all the words which had been kept in your mind. I'm not saying that you need to remember the whole sentences or the whole words given in that which you had written 3 or 4 weeks in that particular notebook. To I'm going to say that I'm saying that just you need to remember those words while speaking in front of your friends, family members, parents, in front of mirror. And I'm going to share my point of view regarding this, that we all are not very fluent in front of our parents, in front of our siblings, or in front of our relatives and all. So I make sure to stand in front of mirror and to revise that particular 3 or 4 whatever I get in my mind, that words, right, every day I do. And just 7 days, go ahead in front of a mirror and just repeat that all the words which you had written. I'm not saying that you need to open the whole notebook and revise the whole word meanings and all and need to understand each and everything. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that whatever you had written, some small memories are there in your in your mind, and just go ahead with that particular words firstly. Right after that, if you want to go ahead with more words which you had written, or you need to go ahead with more particular uh, words you can say, or letters, so go ahead. I would go ahead with it. Right, if you will say to me this. Right, and after the mirror formula, the next thing which you need to do is, see, you had written and speak. Now, third thing which you need to do is go in front of a mirror, introduce yourself in English, go ahead with your habits, whatever the words you had written, try to converse them in, try to add them in your conversations in front of a mirror, and try to understand those meanings in Hindi by your own self. Or you can do this in front of your parents, siblings, and relatives, or anybody else which is present in your home. Right? After 1 week, just after the mirror, do this for 1 week, which I had told you. And after 1 week, you need to do one more thing, that is, you need to go and open your recorder. You need to go ahead and go in the Play Store and write a recorder, download that recorder, and try to introduce yourself or speak anything else which you like the most, so that you speak well. And after that, you need to do the one more thing, that is, you need to open your recorder and try to record your voice whatever you had speak, and you will see that how's improvement. So this is my 4 tips which I had given to you in the whole video. Hope that it's clear to you all, and if it doesn't clear to you all, go ahead in the comment section and tell me that what is not clear. I'll answer that in the comment section. Alright, and for more videos you need to press the subscribe button just um, near the just outside the video. It is, you need to just press the bell icon, and please have all the notifications on. And till then, please like, subscribe and share my channel to everyone. It's really very mandatory for me to make videos for you all, but you all, I'm seeing that you all are really not um you all are really not supporting me and my channel. That is the reason I have been not making videos for you all. But if you will all really go ahead watching my videos and liking, subscribing and share it to everyone. See, I'm not just going ahead taking the money, lots and lots of money from you all by giving my English lectures to you all. But I hope that it's really, if it is really mandatory and helpful to you all, you need to just go ahead in the comment section and write there that it is really very important and you need to make more videos. And please, if you want more videos, write in the comment section that you want more, that we want more, and I'll make the more videos for you all. Thanks a lot. It's a nice talk with everyone. Even I didn't talk to you all, but I really tried to take the live sessions. Alright, bye.